Welcome to the ultimate cybersecurity training bootcamp. Are you ready to delve into the fascinating world of ethical hacking, learning the ins and outs of penetration testing? This immersive course is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge necessary to navigate the complex terrain of cybersecurity. From understanding the basics to mastering advanced techniques, this journey will transform you into a cybersecurity maven. So dive in and explore what awaits you in our exclusive training modules. First up, we'll start from scratch, unraveling the mysteries of ethical hacking. This is where your adventure begins, diving headfirst into the 5 essential phases of penetration testing. We'll explore reconnaissance, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, and covering your tracks. But that's not all, folks. We're also going to delve into the art of Python programming. This powerful tool will enable you to craft your own hacking tools, adding a personalized touch to your cybersecurity toolkit. This module lays the foundation for your cybersecurity journey. Next, we'll guide you through setting up your very own hacking lab using Kali Linux and virtual machines. Imagine having a personal playground where you can experiment with your newfound hacking skills without any real-world consequences. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux, we'll walk you through creating a safe, isolated environment where you can practice and perfect your techniques. And the best part, we'll provide additional vulnerable machines for you to explore and refine your attacks. Plus, we'll create additional vulnerable machines for you to hone your attacks. Now, it's time to level up your game. The Advanced Techniques module is where things start to get really exciting. You've got the basics down, but now we're going to delve into the nitty-gritty of bypassing firewalls and mastering bug bounty hunting. We're not just talking about finding vulnerabilities, we're talking about finding the vulnerabilities that others have missed. That's where the real challenge lies, and that's where you'll truly shine. You'll uncover the secrets of advanced scanning techniques and learn how to exploit various web application bugs that could pose a significant threat. These skills are not just about protecting your own systems, but also about helping others protect theirs. And it doesn't stop there. We'll take you through in-depth lessons on SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XS, and command injection. These are some of the most common and dangerous threats in the cybersecurity landscape today. With in-depth lessons on SQL injection, XSS, and command injection, you'll become a force to be reckoned with in the cybersecurity realm. Ever heard of the Metasploit framework? Get ready to unlock its full potential. As we delve into this module, we're going to explore the vast capabilities of Metasploit, a powerful tool in the arsenal of cybersecurity professionals. This versatile framework is a game-changer, enabling users to perform comprehensive penetration tests, exploit vulnerabilities, and even create their own advanced backdoors. Our journey through Metasploit begins with understanding its architecture and the different interfaces it offers. As we move forward, we'll learn how to use Metasploit's database to manage our discoveries and keep track of the complex security landscape. We'll then transition into exploiting vulnerabilities with Metasploit, navigating through real-world scenarios that will allow you to apply your newfound knowledge. And the best part? You'll learn how to create and customize your own Metasploit modules, opening a world of possibilities. Say goodbye to conventional methods and embrace the power of Metasploit. But wait, there's more. We'll also cover the basics of Linux and Linux terminal, essential for any aspiring hacker. Plus, you'll dive into networking protocols, combining programming knowledge with ethical hacking techniques to adapt to any situation. Next, you'll unleash your skills on web applications, from using Burp Suite for web application pen testing, to exploring directory traversal attacks and exploiting server-side request forgery, SSRF. This module will sharpen your abilities to detect and exploit vulnerabilities in web applications. Then, we'll take a deep dive into vulnerability analysis and exploitation, learn how to perform advanced scanning of entire networks, exploit file upload vulnerabilities, and discover the latest Windows 7 and 10 exploits and attacks. You'll leave no stone unturned in your quest for cybersecurity mastery. And finally, it's time to put your skills to the test. With hands-on Capture the Flag, CTF challenges, you'll tackle real-world scenarios, honing your skills in active reconnaissance, vulnerability scanning, and privilege escalation. Just imagine, in a matter of weeks, you could be well on your way to becoming a highly sought-after cybersecurity professional, armed with the knowledge, skills, and hands-on experience you've gained from this comprehensive course. Remember, the world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, and there's always something new to learn. But with the right training and a curious mind, you can stay one step ahead of the curve. So, why wait? Join the MasaudSec Cybersecurity Bootcamp today and take the first step towards becoming a cybersecurity champion.